Hey guys, so excuse the hair. Washed it and now I'm just letting it air dry. I'm headed to the shade because it is actually hot today. Um, I'm definitely just I'm trying to get it together, you guys. I wonder if other business owners and other vendors, um, you know, it's it's not like I'm burnt out with the markets. I love the markets. I appreciate the markets. I love our customers, but I guess I'm just feeling tired. A lot of flower farmers, they start selling around, I want to say May till September, for their flower season, but I sell all year round at the market. And so it just takes a different energy, especially I take pride in being a wife. I take pride in my home. I try to keep my home clean. I have 4 kids. I homeschool. So we're also looking for retail spacing. So we had our flower shop and we only signed a 6-month lease. And so we've been looking for that space that will offer the experience that we're trying to bring to our customers. So that's been a journey. We've been expanding the garden, adding vegetable garden, adding more raised beds. So it's just a lot going on. And support your small businesses because it definitely takes a lot. It takes a lot to make the products. It takes a lot to grow flowers. We had over thousands of seedlings that we were growing. So it just, it's been a lot, you guys. And the season really hasn't really even like started. So if you've watched the videos, you've seen like the different blooms that I've been able to pull out of the garden and make arrangements with. But stuff is still coming up. Like we'll probably be seeing our sunflowers next month. So it's been a lot, and I'm trying to get the energy. I know God will give me the strength to keep going. All I'm saying is I'm tired, and I wonder if other flower farmers or businesses or vendors, if you've experienced burnout, and how did you how did you cope with that? How did you combat that? And I know too, it's different because a lot of people, you make your products, you probably don't have small kids, you're probably not doing all these other things. But if you are, a parent, when you have all these other ventures or you're working or, just how did you manage the stress of it all? And a lot of people will say, oh, just get help. That's not easy. Especially I have 4 kids. It's just me and my husband. So we're doing the best that we can into the business. I don't take it lightly. I take it very seriously. And I did have some good help. And so it's going to be hard too. That's going to be a journey too, trying to find somebody that's going to run or care for your business the same way that you do. So just wish me luck, you guys. Pray for me. And I know it's part of being a business owner, but all I'm saying is, there's so many aspects to this business and just to everyday life. So just praying that this market is good. I don't even know what the theme is going to be, but I'll stay tuned. So hopefully flower stand's going to look amazing as always, but just praying for that energy and that strength. There's so many different directions. We're still looking at retail spacing, so there's all these things. So wish me luck. It's so beautiful where we live, in the hills, but I had a slight moment of panic. So I was able to get myself a little cute. That was a struggle because I couldn't find my lip gloss, couldn't find my eyeliner. I'm just praying that this day turns out good. So I'm trying to enjoy just the scenic country, beautiful drive to the market, and I'll update you guys from there. All right, you guys, after setting up the beautiful stand, I'm starting to get pumped. I'm starting to feel energized. So hoping this day is amazing and maybe we can sell out today. So it's been such a fun but crazy market. So we are pretty much sold out. So I discovered it's not so much burnout, but it's just like all the things that I do during the week, and then not sleeping well. But I love the markets. I love seeing the people and our customers at the market. It's just, if you can take time for yourself and for your business, don't be afraid to take time for yourself and rest. Hey guys, so happy Sunday. So we're back at the market and it is the day before the big eclipse is supposed to cross over Dallas. So we pretty much sold out yesterday, so we really don't have that much today. So instead of the 2 stands, I'm going to do the 1 stand. So hopefully today is another sellout day and we'll see. So this is Sunday's selection, and we do have the goldenrod, or you can call it solidago. And so with the goldenrod, it's really good for allergies. You can dry these and make a good tea out of it, and it tastes like honey. And we have our dyed baby's breath, which is a really cool science experiment that you can do. We have some beautiful stock here. We grow the liatris, so we have the liatris, we have some delphiniums here. So this is Sunday's selection. All right, you guys, so this is what we're looking at Sunday at noon. So when I get to this point, I'm pretty much just discounting the flowers because there's nothing really left. Stay tuned if you want to see a full tour of the Dallas Farmers Market. So this is what Sunday's looking like. Let's see what we will get to today. All right, you guys, it is official. It is 1 and we are sold out of eucalyptus, out of bouquets, and totally completely out of flowers. Yes, we're sold out. It's okay. The week definitely started off rough, but seeing the most important people in my life meant the world to me. It's okay. Take life day by day. Enjoy the beautiful moments that God has blessed you with. It's okay to be tired. We all need a break from time to time. But shift your mindset into positive thinking. Go outside. Enjoy nature. Think of all the things that you're thankful and grateful for, and watch your mindset shift. Pray for restored energy and strength. You guys, take time to enjoy the beauty that God has created. And always, in the end, I'm wishing you peace, love, and flowers. See you guys in the next video.